this is Lane and welcome to the video. So recently I just moved from Washington DC to San Francisco, or the Bay Area. The reason that I made this move is I really want to see how here became the dream place for all the tech startups and where the technology firms are heading to through the conversations with other people here, and probably can give me some idea of where the audio world can be heading to. So starting from here, I came up with the idea of recording how I studied the coding language like Python and Java, and share with you guys. So actually I started to learn Python like a year ago. However, it was really frustrating because I don't have any coding background, or I don't have any mentor. If you are in the same situation with me, I hope this new series of videos can give you some idea or suggestions. In this new series of videos, I'm going to share what kind of experience, I'm going to share what kind of resources I use, and also I'm going to share like how long did I study during the week, what did I study, and what kind of vlog or channel or YouTube channels did I utilize to make my learning more efficient. So I hope that this video can give you some great suggestions, and that you can enjoy this video and we can study and grow together. Thank you.